What is going on, everybody? It is Ranger Marcus or Marcus Rehrman, and today we are in Monterey County, where we will be tide pooling for the rest of the day, then the Monterey Bay Aquarium tomorrow, and then herping on the last day. Let's get straight to it.
And our first cool thing is a bat star. A nice looking orange one. Hopefully we can see a lot of those today. Right in there is another bat star. And then there's another one right over there. I'm gonna get some GoPro footage of that one. Got some green sea anemones right here. This one's got some cool colors. Got the yellow there, purple, green. And a little teeny starfish. You can see how small this one is. It's a very small one.
Okay, I see a big old crab right in the middle there. I'm gonna try to maybe go get it, maybe get some underwater footage. You can see how big it is from here. It's a big crab right there. I'm trying to get as close as I can without getting fully into the water here. And a whole bunch of barnacles.
This right here looks like an ochre sea star, one that I've seen before. And just found another huge crab right here. I'm gonna get some GoPro footage. Yeah, so I guess if you flip rocks here too, you can find stuff. I don't know what that was, or that, some type of fish, but there's little crabs in here.
Yeah, I have no idea what kind of fish this is, but it's a little fish kind of thing. I don't know.
There's a nice little striped shore crab there. And this is some sort of chitin right here. It sticks onto edge of this rock. And here you can see the crazy variability in these bat stars. One is almost a green gray color, and this one is a red orange color. Here is a huge ochre sea star. You can see how big that is compared to my hand. There are a couple of sea urchins right in there. The one with the purple spikes there. They will congregate like this into huge masses all in one place. See an ochre sea star and a couple abalone shells right there. Those are some pretty big ones. So is this thing right here an eel? Let's see if I can move this here. Like, is that an eel? It's super small. Here's maybe a closer look at it. Some of the smallest starfish I've ever seen, with a chitin right here, which looks really cool. Look at how small they are. Okay, here is one of the really, honestly, like one of the coolest crabs ever. Look at this thing. And what kind of fish is this? I am very perplexed. And of course the little hermit crabs.
All right, guys, that is going to do it for me today. Tomorrow we will be at the Monterey Bay Aquarium, so I will see you guys then. All right, guys, it is our last day out here in Monterey County, and we will be looking for some salamanders today. So we're gonna flip some logs, so let's get straight to it. So we just flipped our first salamanders here. I got one, and then my sister has the other one here. These are the St. Lucia mountain slender salamanders. Seen these guys for 3 years in a row now. Hopefully can find some more. And the third one now.
And number 4. This one's got some really cool coloration to it, almost like an Oregon slender.
All right, guys, that is gonna do it for me this weekend here in Monterey County. First day we did a lot of tide pooling. You guys got to see a lot of GoPro video. And then yesterday we went to the Monterey Bay Aquarium, saw some pretty cool things. Today we found 5 slender salamanders, 1 got away. But if you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Peace.